Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to enter iPhone in recovery mode. Normally recovery mode is used together with the computer so you can restore or update the iPhone using iTunes or Finder. However, you can still put the iPhone into recovery mode without a computer. You just won't be able to complete the restore or update until you connect it to a PC. Your iPhone must be powered off or you must be able to force it into shutdown. You don't need a computer to enter recovery mode, but you still need one later to exit recovery mode or restore the device. Just press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even after the Apple logo appears and release it only when you see the recovery mode screen. Once the recovery mode screen appears, your iPhone is officially in it and it will stay on that screen until you connect it to a computer. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.